I want someone who is holding a smartphone. You're always on TikTok. You're always on Facebook. In fact, you go and visit YouTube. You're watching people on Instagram. You're opening some apps. Are you a kind of a person who is creative that you go and pick something from someone's channel and put it on your status because it has a message? Are you a kind of a person who likes quotes? When you find them on Twitter, you come and put them on your WhatsApp status? This video is for you. What I want you to do for me, I want you to make sure that your smartphone is working. It is connected with internet. It has a browser. There are some phones without browsers. It's updated. Then come here and we speak. We are going to be speaking, or we are going to be looking at how individuals are making huge sums amount of money using their phones and with less energy. Where does this less energy come from? The less energy they come from, one of the things today I want to open it up briefly. If you want to know it in details, you will have to put it in the comment section. So which thing is this? We are going to talk about ChatGPT. How do you use ChatGPT? You're a housewife, you're a student, you're working class like me, you are at home, you're in office, you're going for beach. In fact, traveling to Canada, or you may be going to Dubai for your vacation. This video is right for you. Are you staying deep village? In deep village, like Kashonji, where I come from, baby girl, Mr. Handsome, this video is right for you. There is no complaint because you have already your smartphone. There is no excuse. You have already internet. So this video, you're going to make money. You're not going to again be looking around like at the end of, like on 15th, you cannot buy a mocktail. You cannot buy coffee for your friends. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I should not ever hold a smartphone for 1 year. Still, I beg for bread. Never wide focus. The thing that you say, I hate poverty with all my heart. Indeed, I hate poverty. So, recently I made a video, our last video about Gemini, and someone was like, you're talking about Gemini. What about ChatGPT? ChatGPT is the mother. Yes, ChatGPT is a mother. And I love it so much, so much. You guys, before we dive in and see how can we make money with our smartphone with less pressure without even going to hire people, I would love you to clap for me, our top engagers. You guys, we don't bribe these people. These people are the ones who have pushed us up to where we are. These are the people who will never fail to pass our videos. Do you think, what else can we give them? If I was to give you a hug, you guys, do you know someone allowing himself or herself to be on your, to make you this beautiful face on her screen, on his screen, on a daily basis? Commenting? You guys, you love the ladies. You know, I know you, and I love you to the top. May God bless you with that project from online this year. Before this year ends, you should be reaping from that one idea from online that you're obsessed, you love, and if you don't have it, may God refill it for you in the name of Jesus. Let's dive in and see. What is this ChatGPT? Briefly, ChatGPT, most of you have heard about it. Most of you have used it, and most of you have not used it. If you've used it, put it in the comment section. If you've heard about it, the same. And totally, if you don't know it, say, I'm present. You guys, if I tell you this, would you really appreciate me? Should I stand up and ask you very well? Are you going to appreciate me? Okay. I know. It's my role, it's my calling. Even you, as you share this video, I'm going to be appreciated. There's no cause for an alarm. So the first one, how ChatGPT makes you earn money. Whether you're a professional or you're not a professional, it is through digital products. What are these digital products? for me if you know what a digital product is. A digital product is that idea that you convert into something. For example, my ideas I'm talking now, I'm telling you about ideas on YouTube, on Facebook. If I make a template, if I make a thought about it, if I make a book, an ebook, or a hard copy, it becomes a digital product. So you're there. Do you know you can sell books? You're going to say, me, I didn't go to school. You don't need to go to school. You have ChatGPT. ChatGPT, just inform it with the right prompt and say, please, I want to write a book about my life. My life has been one of the beautiful lives a Munyankore lady can have. My life has been about the worst life a girl can have. In fact, friends have betrayed me. And you write and take ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you exact what you want. Later, you edit it. Of course, you not copy and paste. Edit. You can sell it, hard copy. You can sell it, PDF. You can sell it on your status. You can sell it on social media. You can sell on some platforms that it will be direct passive income. Even when you sleep, just one idea, which you didn't suffer for. We have platforms like Amazon. We have very many platforms that you go there and put, that is Amazon KDP. You put your ebooks and they remain there. So if you're there, you want to use ChatGPT, please. Now there's another way. It's content creation. And this is where I am. I didn't want to bring it the first because it would be like, hey, Christine, it's because also digital products have done ebooks. Just keep the space. We'll be launching our books on our life, on our testimonies, and even on teachings of how to make money online. Now, when we are talking about content creation, you will not suffer. I don't suffer. Gone are the days. If you're a content creator, just sit down, tell ChatGPT, give me 10 ideas about making money online seated at home on a daily basis for 1 month. It will give you. After giving you ideas, you tell it, please, I want to make at least like 30 videos out of these 10 ideas. It will give you. The rest is you to sit down and tell ChatGPT, can you do for me this? Can you do for me this? That is money. Content creation gives money through AdSense, through content monetization, through membership. Leave alone what you're going to get for flyers, what you're going to get for brand sponsorship, affiliate marketing. Leave alone those ones, but content creation pays. Now, content creation is broad. I think the next video should tell you what content creation is. Content creation is not only video like the way you're seeing. When I'm talking about in content creation, you can use it to get videos, get reads. Now, before I finish this video, I wanted this video to be short. Do you know ChatGPT can give you ideas of photos that you can make and go directly sell without touching? You say, ChatGPT, I want ideas about this and this and this. You know, it is coming to Christmas. Can I get photos? It will give you. What I encourage you like that, you need to get, if you want it to be on a large scale, get premium, subscribe. Get these photos, you go and put them on, for example, you put them on Shutterstock. As people pick your photo, you're earning. So guys, what we call ChatGPT, there are people who no longer hire people because of ChatGPT. They pay ChatGPT, write for me letters. That is making money. They are saving. So guys, in the next video, I'm going to show you in detail, step by step, how these ones are done. But meanwhile, share this